So just for those of you who are coming on for the first time, just to let you know how we work, we are meditating on a particular scripture. And in this series, we're focusing on dance because we do talk about our health, our dance, and our life. We've done different series on those different, focusing specifically on those topics. We're focusing on our dance, although the whole thing is obviously about dance, but we're scripturally wise. We're going to focus on our dance, our movement, our bodies, yeah, and our dance. All right, so we're going to get going. And when we've done the scripture, we like to encourage all of you to meditate on the scripture outside of this platform, yeah, because it's not just about coming here every week or whenever, however often you jump on here. It's more about what you do outside as well, so that when you come back, you're stronger. Yes, building those spiritual habits, and the spiritual habits, you begin to understand who God is and what he is capable of. He is capable of you and me getting completely well. Completely, yeah? Now, it's hard for us in this society to believe that that's true because we don't see the miracles anymore. And anyway, Jesus doesn't really encourage us to follow miracles anyway. He wants us to have faith. Yeah, and those who are blessed, those who can really have faith without seeing, it's even more blessed. So what we're trying to do is build up our faith to understand who God is. And we won't know who he is unless we are in his word. Yeah, we won't know who he is unless we're in his word. Not only just in it and reading it, skim reading it, we are meditating on it day and night. Yeah, meditating on it day and night. So we're going to read over our scripture, whichever one you've picked up on from coming on here that resonates with you. Again, please just choose the ones that resonate with you, the ones that you know you want to focus on, the areas of your life and your dance that you want to focus on. Pick the scriptures that we're putting out here or choose your own. Meditate on, read them slowly, over and over again, couple of 2-3 times in the morning. Done. Very simple. In the evening, read them over couple times before you sleep, so that it's like taking your medicine before you go to bed. Let it marinate in your body throughout the night. You do that over a period of 7 days minimum, and go beyond that if you want to, but you'll begin to find that it is marinating inside your body. You are beginning to believe whatever you meditate on. If you're meditating on something negative about yourself, you'll begin to believe it, especially if you meditate it's first thing in the morning and then that's the last thing you think about, negative. That's what you're going to believe. Okay? So we're reversing that. That is out. We're going to meditate on our scriptures day and night. That's life that is getting into our bodies day and night. And then in the night time, so we can be marinating that into our healing journey, into our dance, into our freestyle, into our lives. And you begin to see people noticing something different about you because of what you've put in, because what you put in is what will come out. What you believe is what will happen. Yeah, so let's believe for our healing.